So if you're asked to convert 380 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you do it. What we need is a conversion factor, and this is the conversion factor we'll use. 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury, something you either memorize or look up. So we're going to multiply our 380 millimeters of mercury by our conversion factor. So we want this millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So what we'll do is we'll have the 760 millimeters of mercury down here in the denominator. That way they cancel out. Then on top, we want to end up with atmospheres as our final answer. So our 1 atm, that goes up here. That's the conversion factor. And now when we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom, that cancels out. We're going to be left with atmospheres. So 380 divided by 760, that equals 0.5, say 50. We'll call it atmospheres, ATM. That's it. When you convert 380 millimeters of mercury, you get 0.50 atmospheres. We know it's right because that's the only unit that we had left after we canceled this out. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.